What if we told you that you can increase your income by $150, $2,000, $100,000 with this exact packets? Hello everyone and welcome to our new Moosend YouTube video. I'm Alexandra, author of the blog post How to Make Money Online in 23 Easy Ways, one of our most highly visited articles. And we get it. Who doesn't want some extra cash these days to create a better life, especially during inflation? So today, I'm here to give you a treat, a short, compact guide of popular side hustles to turn your hobbies into revenue channels. Learn the hard and soft skills needed to succeed, and an average revenue range to decide if they're worth your time and energy. Watch our video and find your next gig. If you're a content writing enthusiast and have expertise in or passion for a field, you can start a newsletter and profit from it as it grows. For example, exploding topics and the morning brew are popular in their niche. Think about how much time we spend on our mailboxes daily. According to Statista, global email users are expected to reach 4.6 billion by 2025. From communicating with colleagues to searching for product sales or new content, this channel is increasingly gaining ground in consumers' trust. You can start small by sharing a landing page on your social platforms to build an audience. You can also manage a newsletter on LinkedIn and share unique content to gain fans in an already established channel. Once you gain more traction, you can invest in a website and motivate readers to move to premium subscriptions to access exclusive content. As your email list grows, you can partner with sponsors and earn more money by sharing their content or brand assets in your newsletter. Overall, you can earn around $10 per month for every subscription and reach up to $2,000 through sponsorships as your channel expands. Now you're probably wondering what tools you need to start it out. An email marketing solution with user-friendly features and pre-made email templates can shield the deal. For example, Moosend can help you build a newsletter and manage your email list at an affordable price. Find the sign-up link and an exclusive discount coupon waiting for you in the description. Are you a great storyteller with knowledge in a specific field but not that keen on public speaking? Then what if we told you that you can increase your income by $150 per day with these exact packets? All you need is a faceless YouTube channel where we can share engaging content with your audience without getting out of your comfort zone. Inspired content creation is the main asset of those channels. Create a well-organized script that offers a unique angle of your selected topic and use graphics, voiceovers, and animations to bring it to life. You don't need sophisticated tools to shape your videos. If you're a beginner, you can pick a simple editing tool like InVideo and move to more advanced platforms as your channel grows. Plus, many faceless YouTubers use AI solutions to power up their script writing or even streamline voiceovers to save time. Okay, but how do you make money from this? As your audience grows, you can profit from YouTube ads, affiliate programs, and paid collaborations. To attract partners and sponsors, it's important to create a strong brand and position yourself in your niche. Check out how channels like Brightside and Daily Dose of Internet do it and streamline your strategy. Finally, if you lack the time and resources, you can create a YouTube channel, republish existing content, and monetize your views. There's a wealth of possibilities to make money in this platform. If you're building digital products such as templates, ebooks, or planners, you can sell them online and make a passive income from downloads. It's hard to pinpoint how much you'll earn as it depends on the exact product and the demand in the market, but let's say that $10 per download is a decent starting point. So where can you sell those products? You can reach out to platforms like Etsy, Amazon, and Gumroad, or set up your own e-commerce store if you have more time and resources to spare. To outstand competitors, you should focus on selecting the right digital products for your target audience and make them as valuable and unique as possible. Remember, quality matters, so pick your software tools carefully before making your creative assets public. They don't have to be costly. Beginner-friendly tools such as Canva are great options. Finally, if you're an expert in a field, you can also create online courses and webinars. Promote them on platforms such as Udemy or Skillshare, or reach out to your audience on social media if you have a solid presence there. Revenue-wise, you can earn from $40 to $50,000 monthly based on the demand and the course type. Every field is different, so do your research before getting down to business. Becoming an affiliate marketeer is ideal for those who already have an established audience. You can choose between physical and digital products and convince your followers to buy them by delivering great content related to the product or service you're sharing. So how can an affiliate make a passive income? They usually get a unique website link that tracks conversions. They place it inside a blog post or promote it by social media like TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. Affiliates with a bigger budget sometimes run PPC campaigns as well to reach consumers who are very likely to convert. On average, novices can earn up to $1,000, mid-level affiliates up to $10,000, and advanced affiliates up to $100,000 based on their influence. Even though promoting physical products can convert faster, the commission is usually lower. To get a great head start, check out Amazon Associates, Target, and eBay Partner Network to promote physical products. As for digital ones, Shopify, Semrush, and Coursera have great affiliate options. And of course, you can't skip Moosend's affiliate marketing program. Earn up to 40% lifetime recurring commission for every paying customer and an extra commission if they upgrade. Find more information in the description. If you love taking photos and have a high-resolution camera, then why not sell them online? Practicing your hobby is a great way to make a passive income after all. Start this gig by searching popular stock photo sites such as Getty Images and Shutterstock, find which categories are in demand, and take some great relevant shots. You can also do the same with video footage for business owners who want to buy stock content for their campaigns to save money. Once you upload your work to the chosen platform, they'll review it carefully to see if it meets their requirements. Keep in mind that you'd better watch out for possible copyright violations before submission. Overall, stock photographers make around 2 cents per image per month, while professionals make between 5 to 25 cents. It doesn't sound a lot at first, but considering how many people visit those sites daily, and that we're talking about passive income, it's worth a try. So get your camera, tune in with your creative self, and make extra cash smoothly. Do you have a thing for storytelling and acting? Then why not combine those two and make money by doing voiceovers? If you have a strong and dynamic voice and are interested in bringing new worlds to life, start practicing today to claim your next side gig. When you start this side hustle, many opportunities such as commercials, demos, movie trailers, and audiobooks can land in your hands. You can also specialize in a specific area based on your skills. For example, if you enjoy acting, you can focus on commercials and audiobooks. And if you're familiar with different accents and languages, you can do product demos and you'll be able to tackle the needs of global teams. Having a talent in narrating stories is essential, as all companies will require you to send a sample of your work to see if your voice fits their projects. You need to demonstrate your ability to narrate your client's story and use breathing techniques and warm-ups to keep your voice in a good shape. Once you get the job, you'll need a high-quality microphone and recording software to excel. Want to launch your next voiceover work? Check out websites such as voices.com and Fiverr to find relevant job opportunities. Regarding revenue, entry-level voice actors can make between $13,000 to $32,000 annually, according to recent stats. Are you seeking for more flexible side gigs that don't require much time? Or perhaps some gigs that don't ask for experts? Then ad hoc side projects can give a nice boost to your income. For example, transcribing would be a solid option for you. In most cases, the faster you type, the more money you'll get. You can also consider other relevant microjobs like translating, data entry, or editing. The first applies to native language speakers or professionals with relevant licensing, and the rest to detail-oriented people with organizational skills. You can also complete online surveys for numerous purposes, such as conducting market research to get the consumer's opinions before launching a new product. To deliver those tasks, you need a stable internet connection and a highly functioning computer to do the work. In some cases, especially in design and development, you may be asked to showcase your previous work to get the job. Interested in relevant side gigs? Check out Amazon Mechanical Turk, Fiverr, and make up to $100 or more for each side job depending on your effort. That was it, everyone. Thanks for watching our video and feel free to subscribe to our channel as lots of interesting content is currently in the making. And if you're looking for more options to make money online, find our blog post in the description box. See you soon!